My name is Tojo Agbola. We have noticed that there is always mass failure in mathematics and English language in the WAEC examination. Like 2015, it was on TV that 61% of the students that wrote the last WAEC examination failed mathematics and English. We have devised a system whereby we can reduce the mass failure in the system. We're going to see more and more of these cities. We try as much as possible to make it simple for students to understand so that they can have improvement in their performance in each exam they write. In our chapter 1, we talked about what is algebra, times, unlike terms, coefficients, and so on and so forth, as add and subtract algebra. Now we're looking at how to factorize algebra and what are the factors of algebra. Firstly, factors are numbers that can divide another number without a remainder. For example, for factors, 12, factors of 12 will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Because all these numbers can divide 12 without remainder. Then the next factors of 12x will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12, including x now. X times 1, x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 6s, and 12x. All these are factors of 12x. Then if we look at 2x squared, factors of 2x squared will be 1 and 2. They can divide 2 without remainder. Then we have x and 2x. Then we have x squared and 2x squared. These are the factors of 2x squared. So, and so on and so forth. So let's look at the prime factors. Now these are factors. Let's look at prime factors. Prime factors. So before we look at prime factors, we have to look at prime numbers. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are numbers that can only be divided by itself or when. Example of prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on and so forth. These numbers can only be divided by themselves or 1. No other number can divide 2. Only 2 can divide 2. So now if you're looking at prime factors are the prime numbers that can divide any other number without a remainder. For example, make the following products of their prime. So let's look at them. We have 10xy, number 2, 12m squared n y squared, number 3, 18a b squared and c. Solution. Number 1, 10xy. The first prime number that can divide this is 2. 2 can divide 10, and that will give us 5 times 5. 5, 2 can divide. Then you have x, you have a y. What are we doing here? 2 times 5, 10. Then x times y, xy. That is, the result is this. 10xy. 2 can divide, will give us 5x. 5 can divide, will give us xy. X can divide to give us y. Y can divide to give us 1. These are the prime numbers, prime factors of 10xy. So number 2, we have 12m squared and the y squared. What can divide 12? 2. That's the lowest to give us 6. What can divide 6 is 2 to give us 3. Then M is twice. To write it twice because it's squared. N is single. Y is twice again because it's squared. That's how you get your product. Or if you want to check it in the same way, we can also look at it. We have 12m squared and y squared. 2 can divide. 6. 2 can divide. 3. 3 can divide. M squared and y squared. M can divide. M and y. M can divide. N y squared. N can divide. Y squared. Y can divide y. Y can divide 1. So all these are now the products of this one. So number 3, 18a b squared c. 2 can divide 18 to give us 9. 3 can divide 9 to give us 3. 3 can divide, then give us a. B is twice, then c is 1. These are the prime products of these numbers. These are called the factors of the numbers. So we'll go to the next stage. To ACF, the common factors, highest common factor of given numbers. Let's look at this example. Find the HCF of 27xy and 18xy squared and z. Solution. 27xy, you have to take it the way you take your prime factors. The factors of 27, prime factors of 27 are 3 times 3 times 3. These are the prime factors of 27. Then we have x times y. The prime factors of 18 is 2 times 3 times 3. These are prime. You cannot say 6. 6 is not a prime number, so you can't use it. You must use the prime numbers that are factors of the number. Then we have x. Y is twice, so because it's squared. Then z. Then pick the common ones. Pick the common ones. The common. The common. The common. So ACF equals 3 times 3 times x times y, because they are common. That will give us 9xy. That's how you do it. We do another example again to prove.